Hey, so today we're going to show you how to create a WordPress application password. The first thing you do is go to a wp-admin. Alternatively, you can even say -admin. They usually take you to the same spot. Then you log in, and then here go to users. You'll see that your various users. So you can usually just hit profile. This is your username, your user account. Scroll down. And then you see the section under application passwords near the bottom. So you simply create a, let's say, test API, name it, hit add new application password, and then you copy and paste. You should save this somewhere because it's going to delete after you exit out of this page. So then go back to our site, Breakout Content. You can log in here or just go to app.breakoutcontent.com. Now make sure you sign in. Once you've signed in, go in and go to the settings. Once you're in settings, go to integrations. Hit on the integration you want. So, for example, for WordPress, then you want to enter your site in this format with your username and then with the application password that we talked about. So, for example, and then this, a little bit tricky, but you just enter your exactly in this format. And then you're off to the races. You can hit save after you've chosen your post or publish status. If you are concerned about what it might look like, you can always just every time you publish, it can go to draft, or you can just have it go directly to live. But some people, especially in regulated industries, they prefer to save it as a draft. This way they can review it later. Perhaps they have a compliance or another team member take a second look before either publishing or scheduling. If they do a whole batch of articles, somebody else can maybe review it later and then schedule them out to be released over the course of the week, for example. So there you have it. We hope you found this helpful. We're constantly making this easy. We love to see any feedback you might have or questions. Please drop a comment below. We'll get back to you right away. My name is Chris at Breakout Content, and we hope to hear from you. Thank you so much.